Babe, I'm expecting visitors. Just help me to entertain them before I come.
All right, baby.
My brother, what is the problem?
Things fall apart.
Things fall apart? At where?
My house, of course.
What happened?
Get I spend millions of naira doing. House falling down.
I knew it.
Okay.
When I passed through your house, I know that thing was not in a tactical mood.
Okay.
The material isn't quality enough.
Okay. Let's go and finish
My
them.
brother, hold on. Where did you do this thing?
It's one guy that said he's doing all these things. He's in front.
Listen, if it's not best of the best fabrication art and metal work, my brother, it is rubbish.
He's sounding well.
When I spend money, I know what I spend it on. I go for quality, I don't go for quantity.
Baby, let me tell them. They specialize in all kinds of metal work, such as ball stand, stations, windows, gates, irons, etc.
They work day and night to make sure they meet up with customer expectations.
Can they do all these stainless and
Everything that have to do with metal, it is best of the best fabrication art and metal work.
Please, where are they located?
They are located in number 223, Upper Sapova Road, Benin City.
When you get to Musheshe Junction, they are there.
Okay.
They deliver nationwide.
Yeah?
If you are not informed,